Good morning, South End Middle School science classes. So this video is the instructional video for the gravity simulation and guided activity, right? If you were to do this on an independent learning day, it will be under gravity. Show you it will be under gravity and independent learning activities. If we did this in class, you will find it in the gravity page. If you just click here, it will show up. Or on the right-hand side, you have an option called Progress. You can get to your assignment list that way. So this is the instructional video for our gravity simulation and guided activity. So when you click to make a handout, there are no other instructions in here. All instructions are actually in the worksheet. So here's what we're doing. We're doing a gravity force lab to reinforce mass and distance as important factors in determining gravity. So what we're going to be doing is clicking on this link to start. So we're going to click on the link. And it's going to open up a new page. And this is what it looks like. This is what our page looks like. So we're going to be going back and forth with our tabs up top between Gravity Force Lab Basics and Unified Classroom. So the bolded questions are the ones to be completed. All the other numbers are giving you instructions. Right? So number 1, right? How does the mass of an object affect the gravitational forces experienced by another object? So here's your hypothesis, and we're going to look at the lab to make it. So maybe you said, if I put more force, if there's more gravity, they'll be further apart. Or if there's less gravity, they'll be farther apart. Right? If I put less force, less gravity, then they'll be further. So you're just going to make an educated guess here, and there are instructions and telling you exactly how to mess with these numbers and how to change things. Right? So part 1, you're going to set mass 1, m1, to 500, and mass 2, m2, to 500. Then you're going to measure and set the distance between the two masses to 5 meters. So let's look at that. So mass, they're going to be equal. All right, now let's see. See how you can change things around. So you're just going to try your best here. So we're going to change it to 5. And for some reason it's not changing to 5 kilometers, but that's okay. We'll keep it as 5. So we're just going to be messing around with the distances and the weights and talking about the relationships between the distance and the forces put on each of the masses, each of the fake planets here. So that's what we're doing for gravity simulation and guided activity. We're clicking on that blue link. That brings us to this interactive activity. And then we're going to follow the directions and answer some of the questions. So that's what we're doing for gravity simulation and guided activity.